Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to insert a nano SIM card and microSD card into the Honor 8. Hold down the power key, choose power off, and confirm again. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Find the tray at the left edge of the phone and use a tool to open it. Remove the tray from the device. Place the microSD card in the first slot with the characteristic edge facing correctly. Place the nano SIM card in the second slot. Insert the tray back into the phone carefully. Turn on the phone to check if both cards are working. Unlock the screen, open Settings, and go to Advanced Settings. Find Memory and Storage to confirm the SD card is detected. The network connection at the top confirms the SIM is working. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.